Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Yes, seeing a fetal heartbeat at 6 weeks is generally expected during an ultrasound. At this stage, the heartbeat is typically between 90 to 110 beats per minute. However, if a heartbeat isn't detected, it may be due to varying factors such as the baby's positioning or the accuracy of pregnancy dating. Always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.